Lord have mercy. I was standing by the edge of the village today, looking at the farms where the weeds have grown too tall. Because our men are afraid to carry their hoes, our daughters are afraid to walk to the well. The news came that the road is blocked again, but I remember a God who parts the Red Sea. I remember a God who is a consuming fire. Listen to me now. The red dust is soaked with things it should not hold. The soil is crying out from the burden of the fallen. Mothers are sitting on the ground with ashes on their heads. The harvest is ready, but the harvesters are hiding. The men in the forest think they have the final word. They think their iron is stronger than our prayer. But I heard a sound of abundance of rain, not the rain that grows the corn, but the rain that washes the conscience clean, flow through the valley. Flow, river flow, wash the blood from the grass, wash it all away, heal heart of the land, heal our home, oh Lord, let the peace like a river run through the trees. Yesterday the messenger came running with a heavy heart. He said they are coming from the north and the east. I felt the trembling of the Lord began to stir in my bones. I told that messenger to stand still and see the salvation. I told the wind to carry a new message to the bush. You can take the cattle, but you cannot take our soul, for the earth belongs to the King of glory. And every knee must bow when he speaks. Flow, river flow, wash the blood from the grass, wash the blood from heal the home, oh Lord. Let the peace like a river run through the trees. Send your peace, send it down. Heal the land, heal the land. No more blood, no more fire, no more fire. Open the roads, clear the way, clear the way. Every forest be made clean, every village be made whole. We are tired, Lord, heal the land. We are crying, Lord, heal the land. But we trust you, heal the land. You are able. The river is moving now. I can see the water rising. It is washing the stains away. Rest now, my people. The Lord has taken the wash. The Lord has taken the wash.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Naija, make una hear me. This one not for every family where they wait. Bring them home. Sun don't rise, but the pain still day. Mama kneel down every morning. They pray, Papa steady the road from the break. I hope he said children go find their way. School bags still hang for the corner wall. Family picture still they stand tall. Dreams of doctor, lawyer, engineer. Now na silence everybody. They hear the nation cry. We still stand strong, holding moving on. Everything get destiny to fulfill. We no feel left here, destroy their wheel. No be numbers, no be headline story. Hear the voices from village and town. Make nobody ever let them down. Bring them home, bring them home. Make the children reach their home. From the darkness to the light, we go pray and we go fight. Bring them home, bring them home. Let their laughter fill the road. One Nigeria, one voice. Make we stand and make the choice. Yeah. Make we stand and make the choice. Teacher write their names upon the board. Still believing in the grace of God. Empty chairs but hope still day. Waiting for a brighter day. Brothers and sisters miss their friends for the hot to end. The playground quiet, the bells still ring. But something missing, everything from north to south, from east to west. Everybody know waiting be best. Protect the children. Got their dreams, nothing be exactly as it seems. Bring them home. No more tears for the mothers alone. Bring them home. Make the children find their road. For the little girl we love to read. For the young boy we love succeed. For every future waiting to bloom. Make we never allow the gloom. The farmers, workers, market queens. Everybody know waiting this means. A nation strong with the children smile. That's the treasure where every man. Raise your candle, raise your light. Make up shine to the night. Hand in hand we go stand as one. Till the journey finally done. No be tribe and no be tongue. This not song for old and young. Every heartbeat calling loud. Standing hopeful, standing proud. Bring them home, bring them home. Make the children reach their home. From the darkness to the light, We go pray and we go fight. Bring them home, bring them home. Let their laughter fill the road. One Nigeria, one voice. Make we stand and make the choice. Yeah, the drums across the nation. Yeah, the voices in the air, saying every child deserves our care. Keeping every dream alive like the river to the sea. Freedom flow eventually. Many seasons come and go, still we carry hope and grow. Every prayer rise above, powered by unshaking love. One day joy go fill the air, families reunited there. Songs of victory we go sing. That's when the children return like it. We go waiting at the gate, we no go surrender to fate. Together laughter fill the road. One Nigeria, one voice, make we stand and make the choice. Bring them home, let the healing now begin. Bring them home, let the hope and love win. For every mother where they cry, for every father asking why, for every child we get a dream. Hold on tight, keep believing. Naija strong, we go carry soap along till the day we celebrate and welcome all up to the gate. Bring them home. Hey, Naija stand up. This one for the future. For every child we still get dream. See the sun rise over the savannah. Hope still they burn like fire for lantern. Every father they wish say them the nearer. The road long, but we no go tire. Every classroom get story to tell. Every empty seat ring like bell. We they look ahead, we know they bow. One heartbeat from city to village. Protecting tomorrow, protecting our heritage. Hands up if you believe in hope. Hands up if you know we can cope. Storm feet come, but we still stand tall. Together we rise, together we call. Bring back the light, bring back the joy. Make them dance on the sky again. Make them laugh with their friends again. Make them laugh with their friends again. Bring back the light, bring back the sound. Let hope and peace go around. One nation, one prayer tonight. We dey call for a better life. Listen, this no be time for division. Everybody focus on the mission. Future leaders, future doctors, future teachers, future authors. From the streets of Lagos to Kano side, everybody got the children on their mind. No retreat, no surrender, no delay. We dey push for a brighter day. History watching every move we make. So we carry the burden for the children's sake. Put the fear aside, let the love increase. We dey march with hope and we speak for peace. We no go forget them. We still they remember them. Till the day them come home. Nobody stand alone. Bring back the light, bring back the joy. Every daughter, every boy, make them dance on the sky again. Make them laugh with their friends again. Make them laugh with their friends again. Bring back the light, bring back the sound. Bring back the light, bring back the sound. Let hope and peace go around tonight. We dey call for a better life. Yeah. Moonlight shine on the dusty road. Still we carry this heavy load. But the spirit of the people strong. Every village and every town refuse to let the hope fall down. We dey dream of the celebration day. Drums go play and voices sing. Joy go spread like the Hamatan wing. Families reunited face to face. Smiles returning to every place. If tomorrow comes with blessing, we go count every lesson. If tomorrow comes with sunshine, we go treasure every lifetime. Keep believing, keep the faith. Love go open every gate. Love go open every gate. Bring back the future for every getaway. Naija they pray, hope never die. We move forward every day till the day of celeb jubilation. We keep the faith.